Well, today in our performance, this brick shit house is finally out of the shop. V10 Mercury Capri, back from 1983. How do you know it's the world's first?
According to YouTube videos, world's first Capri with 6.8 liter 2-valve V10 PI. Also world's first IT bead 6.8 liter V10.
Got the old Mega Squirt.
I certainly do.
Self-learning supercomputer.
Yeah.
Do a walk around.
Looks like a shitty Capri. Or no, it's on video. Oh, it looks fucking immaculate.
We're gonna go for a ride now. Fart before I get in.
Oh, you don't have to.
A nice carpet.
You gotta scrape the garbage out of the way.
I still want to step on this stuff. I like the rear seats. Really, really classy. They're definitely quintessential 1980s Ford.
Mercury.
Mercury, I guess. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I'm a rich bitch.
It's faux moco.
How about the Mercury?
Okay. We have screws on the seat, which I don't want to sit in and wreck the seat.
And a screwdriver.
And a screwdriver.
Yeah. Honda Prelude seats.
Honda Prelude seats, which are heated.
97 to 03?
97 to 03 Prelude.
Or whatever it is. I don't know when they finished it. Maybe
it's the nicer style, body style.
I do think they finished the Prelude on a very good car.
Oh god.
It didn't turn into like the Accords and stuff, which I think look like fucking trash. Like the TLs and shit.
Alright, we're gonna get in. Oh my god.
You see the filters. Yeah. Scoop.
Oh, that's a big scoop, Keith.
It is, but I got a small dick, so I gotta compensate. Top tip, small penis rocks.
I will not touch this. I will just keep this on my lap.
Why not? It seems better now. I adjusted the TPS load value.
Oh yeah. My god, those injectors. You can feel them clicking through the floor.
Oh man, this is way better adjusting the TPS load point.
Oh, when it starts
to
the
more
Excel
fuel
pump?
for TPS.
Yeah.
Oh man, I could not do it like. Ooh.
Oh dear.
Oh, we are starting way better than before. Ooh, Sprinter van. Oh man, that is way fucking better. Such a small difference.
Pulls you hard back in the seat.
Yeah.
Even at like, what are we at, 2,000 RPM?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It does have some issues with like,
wow, Jesus, fast. Holy fuck.
It's got issues with like the quarter throttle to full on. Like it goes super lean. But that's TPS load again.
Makes sense, yeah.
Yeah. And I changed my map. I started it way lower than before because I was dipping below 10 on the kVA value. it definitely got better when I.
Yeah, we're in one of these humps. Yeah, you just gotta rev it up and do it again.
There we go.
Fast.
It's a bit of fun.
Wow. Well, I'm going to turn this video off and enjoy the rest of my ride. You're smiling, so that's good. Yeah. Hello.